Hello, my fellow Americans. I am SeanTube, back at you with a new video, and today I'm going to do a cooking video on the Pillsbury turkey. The Pillsbury turkey sugar cookies. Wait, before this video gets started, follow my Instagram, follow her Instagram, it's gonna be right here somewhere on the screen. You know what I'm saying? Like the video before you even start, subscribe to this channel, you know what I'm saying? You go ahead, we almost halfway to 500 subscribers. Shut up! Let's go on with the intro! Bam! Okay guys, so like I said, we're going to be making sugar cookies. Let me go get the second camera so I can get like a different cinematic version of these sides. I'll be right back. Okay guys, and I'm back in a different area, angle thing. Alright, so what you will need for this project is your box, because you know it has all the instructions on them, you know what I'm saying? Your pan to go in the oven. Yeah. And, you know, your cookies, because, you know, you have to bake all the cookies. Yeah. So, what you're going to have to do, let me see how many cookies are in this pan. I'm going to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
24 cookies in the whole sheet. So, we're going to get a knife. Caution, kids, please don't play with knives, because you don't want to end up dead. Or like lose a finger, so yeah. Thank you, Sean. Alright. We're just going to puncture the knife in the sheet that's covering the cookies. And we're just going to open up the cookies like so. Hold on. Yeah, okay. We're going to I just stabbed myself. That's why I said not to play with goddamn knives. And bam. Okay, so we have the cookies that are open. They're nice and delicate, as you can see. It's Thanksgiving cookies, but like, you know, Thanksgiving is kind of over. So we're just still gonna eat them, even though Thanksgiving is over. So what you're going to have to do is, let me switch over to the other camera. Okay, second camera. We're going to put each and every cookie up on the sheet. We're going to put it on there like so. Make sure that they're spaced out so they don't look stupid. I'm just going to put 4 on each one. And speed effects go. Okay, you guys, now that all the, well, not really all the cookies, because there's still more right here. I'm going to put them in the second batch. But now that all the cookies are on the sheet, we are now going to put them in the fridge, not the fridge, in the oven. The little, Mom, why are you laughing at me? In the little toaster oven. We're going to put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And we're going to set the oven on 15 degrees, 350, you guys know what I mean, 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, we're just going to get our pan and we're going to place it in the oven like so. As you can see, like so. Now, this is what you call an oven, but this is a toaster. This is going to take less time. So, we're just going to place it in like so, and now we wait. Oh, they're done. As you guys can see, they look all crispy and delicate. And I'm going to put the second batch in the oven. I'm going to take these one out. My family are such coons. Don't put in the face. Shit.
I'm going to take this one right here because this looks like the best one that I like.
Mom, it's hot! Okay, guys, now I'm going to put the second batch. Oh shit. Okay, guys, now I'm going to put the second batch in the oven right now, as so. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna pop them in 1, 2, 3, 4, just like I did last time. You know, trying to hurry up and finish this video so I can edit it and upload it tonight. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cookies. Where the mittens? Where the mittens? Where the mittens? Where the mittens? Okay, mittens right here. Going to place them in the oven. Okay. Going to put it in 350, 12 minutes. All right, dude. Well, guys, this video was. I hope this video was kind of funny to you guys. But you know, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my cooking video. You know, Food Network. I hope you guys can sponsor me and put me on your show, huh? Food Network. I hope you guys can watch this video out and you know check me out. Put me on your channel. We're the network for food. They're pretty good. They're pretty good. Food Network, check me out. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm a funny kind of guy, yeah. And that's all I have to say. So, to my next video, I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace.